Hey there, money movers and shakers. Welcome back to the channel where we take control of our finances and build the life we deserve. Today, we're diving into 7 money mistakes that might be secretly keeping you broke, and, of course, how to fix them. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 7 because it's a game changer. Before starting this video, subscribe to the channel and like and share this video with your friends and family. It will help them and also my channel. Now, let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1, living without a budget. All right, confession time. How many of you are winging it when it comes to your finances? No judgment here, we've all been there. But flying blind is a surefire way to stay broke. It's like trying to drive to a destination without a GPS. You're bound to get lost. Here's the fix. The 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your income for needs like rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% for wants like entertainment and dining out, and 20% for saving or crushing debt. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. It's your roadmap to freedom and financial clarity. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making changes that matter. Mistake number 2, neglecting emergency savings. Let's talk about curveballs. Life loves to throw them. Car repairs, medical bills, sudden job losses. Without an emergency fund, you're just one unexpected expense away from chaos. And let's face it, stress from financial emergencies can take a toll on every aspect of your life. Start small. Save $1,000 as a quick buffer. This is your safety net for those immediate emergencies. Then, gradually build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Pro tip, automate those savings. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. Out of sight, out of mind, but definitely there when you need it. Mistake number 3, accumulating high-interest debt credit cards. They're like that friend who's fun at first but turns toxic real quick. High-interest debt is the enemy of wealth. Every month you carry a balance, you're giving away money that could be working for you instead. Attack it with a strategy. Use the debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Or try the snowball method. Start with your smallest balances to build momentum. Whichever method you choose, consistency is key. And don't be shy about calling your creditors to negotiate better terms or look into consolidating your debt. It's your money. Take control. Mistake number 4, delaying investments. Are you waiting for the perfect time to invest? Spoiler alert, there's no such thing. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for compound growth. Time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. Start small, start now. Even a modest contribution can grow significantly over time. And remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to work its magic. Mistake number 5, falling for lifestyle inflation. You got a raise? That's awesome. But if you're upgrading your lifestyle with every pay bump, you're just running in place. It's like being on a treadmill, working harder but not getting ahead. Instead, try this. Every time your income increases, put a chunk of it towards savings or investments before you spend a dime. It's called paying yourself first. You can still celebrate your success, but make sure future you gets a piece of the pie. Trust me, future you will thank you for the head start. Mistake number 6, overlooking financial education. Let's be real. Managing money isn't something most of us learned in school, but ignorance is expensive. Every bad financial decision you make costs you time and money. Commit to learning. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. And don't underestimate the power of free resources. There are countless YouTube channels and blogs dedicated to personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Mistake number 7, neglecting to set financial goals. Finally, the big one, drifting through life without clear financial goals. Without direction, your money has no purpose. It's like sailing a boat without a destination. You'll just float aimlessly. Here's the fix. Set smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Want to save $10,000 for a house down payment? Break it down into smaller monthly milestones, like $500 a month. Track your progress and celebrate the wins along the way. Having clear goals will not only keep you focused, but also make the journey rewarding. All right, friends, there you have it. 7 money mistakes that are keeping you broke and exactly how to fix them. If this video gave you that light bulb moment, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more money smart tips. Together, we're building a brighter financial future. Let's build that wealth together.